Why are the Brits claiming this American bread? Despite what the Brits will tell you, there's no one true claim that links these two breads together. The British Yorkshire puddings need a whole roast to get that signature authentic flavor, while the American popover is a healthier, less complex version of the same hollow style bread. Which is better? Not to be biased, but popovers are lighter, healthier, and they don't require the preparation of an 8-hour roast. So next time you're craving a hollow bread, here's what you're gonna do. Throw 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of flour, and a little pinch of salt into a blender and give that a really good blend. Add in our butter and blend it up one more time. You're really not restricted to savory meals when it comes to popovers. You could stuff them with whipped cream or top them with gravy. So next time you see a Brit claiming the all-American popover, you can tell them that Me to Make Stuff taught me otherwise. Subscribe to learn so much more.